Hi, friend. Are you excited for your last dinner? I know you've loved the food here. Of course, it's gonna be steak. You're getting a little spoiled, aren't you? It's okay. I'm glad that you finally got to experience, like the finer things in life. I know you don't get that at home. Well, if you had a home. Oh, please get over it. You're an orphan, right? That's what you're called. Fine, I told you I wouldn't bring it up again. You're right. Anyway, so are you gonna go like that? Yeah, well, my dad has some business people there tonight. Forgot to tell you. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to do something with your face. Did you wash your face? We were just at the lake. Yeah, I can see that. But honestly, your skin has been glowing since you got here. It has to be that steak. Yeah. And yeah, I know I don't eat that stuff. I'm vegetarian. I saw this movie when I was younger, and yeah. Well, anyway, let's clean your skin off, okay? I'm just gonna take this cotton pad, okay? Just gonna. I'm just gonna take some of this serum. Have you been using the skincare in your room? I bet you never even seen those brands before. You're being so sensitive today. It's because of your phone. I told you my dad likes for us to live in the moment. That's why you haven't had the phone. That's why you haven't had your phone the past couple of weeks. You'll get it back. You have to call who? Your brother. You didn't tell me you had a brother. Well, yeah, he doesn't live with you, obviously. Is he younger? Oh, older. You were gonna go live with him? It's so weird. You didn't tell me all of these things. I brought you to my lake house and everything, and you didn't tell me you had a brother that was trying to get you to live with him. I know we haven't known each other that long, but that's something I feel like you would have mentioned to me this past couple of weeks. I've seen you every single day. I know, I like to talk about myself, but I'm a very interesting person. Were you bored while you were here? No. I'm very interesting to talk about. Yours is that you're an orphan and blah 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 blah, but you should have said you had a brother. No, I mean, it's just, I felt like we were friends, and I'm just sad you didn't tell me about that. I mean, I'm coming from a friend perspective. I was worried about you going alone to the airport and getting home and having to go back to that place by yourself, and it's just that. And I'm happy that you have a brother. Just do your foundation really quick. Okay, really does look amazing. Everyone's gonna be so jealous of you at school. I thought we just discussed that you can't get your phone right now. I know you want to call your brother. We just discussed this. My dad has your phone. I actually don't even know where it is. Just suck in your cheeks for me. You know, I don't know if I told you. You have great bone structure. I know. I think I'm gonna be a plastic surgeon, just like my dad. That's why he only eats those steaks that you've been eating too. He's very particular about his diet. I mean, doesn't he look amazing? Look at you. You're absolutely glowing like he is. Well, I feel like I'm glowing just, in a natural, vegetable way. I wouldn't eat those steaks, but I'm sure they are good. You see, he only gets the best. Just do your blush for you. Just smile. I'm just gonna blend out your blush. Oh, my mom? Yeah, I know you haven't really seen her a lot. I mean, her days are spent getting facials and massages and stuff. She doesn't really like to go outside. I mean, I know you only saw her at dinner. But, she has really lovely skin. I know she wears, that weird mask and stuff. But, yeah, she's super protective about her skin. She thinks the sun can get her even at night. So weird. I guess both of my parents are kind of weird. Yeah, I mean, they've been nice to you. I wouldn't expect them to be, mean or rude, I guess. I don't know. I'm happy that you had a good time, though. Just gonna curl your lashes. Just gonna curl your lashes. Curl their lashes. Just gonna curl your lashes. Then curl your lashes and curl your lashes. Yeah, my dad does. My dad is weird. All he talks about is diet and exercise and, being perfect. And just gonna blink. But he thinks you've behaved and been perfect this entire trip, so he's really happy about that. He doesn't like when I bring friends that are, a little more rambunctious, I guess. But, that's another reason why I don't think you should ask him for your phone until you leave. He's not gonna like that. Just gonna do your bottom lashes, the bottom lashes, the bottom lashes, the bottom lashes, bottom lashes. Just gonna do your lip gloss. Why are you acting like this? I told you can't have your phone. Why do you keep asking me for your phone? I know you want to call your brother. I already told you I don't know where your phone is. No, because you're actually getting on my nerves. You're not getting your phone back. You're not getting your phone back ever, actually. Look, pucker up. You're not leaving here. Look, the guy at the door was gonna tell you, the one that's been hanging out the whole time. I guess he knows now that he doesn't have to. What am I talking about? Let's think. Let's put on our thinking caps. Don't you think it's weird that you came here with a total stranger? You knew me for 2 days, and I invited you, and you said yes. I'm very popular. I'm very rich. Do you think I really would want to be friends with someone like you? I mean, don't get me wrong, you're probably my favorite that's came here. You're very nice. But that doesn't mean anything. Being nice here doesn't really mean anything. Just means you get a little bit more time. And now, so I didn't know about your stupid brother, that's gonna have to be dealt with by my dad as well. But don't worry, it will be dealt with. Are you still not thinking? Are you still not thinking? Think about all those delicious steaks you had. Have you ever had one that really looked like that? They don't look a little funny to you? Taste a little bit different. No, it's not truffle sauce. You're going to be the next steak. I didn't think I'd have to say it out loud. I actually hate saying it out loud. No, I don't feel bad. Why would I feel bad? I'm gonna be a doctor like my dad. Except not have the same diet. That's why I don't feel bad. I don't actually participate. I mean, yes, I bring people sometimes, but it's not like a big deal. I'm helping my family. Look, and yes, sometimes my mom may get constant plastic surgery from the people that, they don't want to waste if she likes their face or whatever. You're being ridiculous. Have your lips gone numb yet? Your face, oh, it's working fast. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Just gonna be cutting around the perimeter of your face and your lips. Kinda makes it harder to talk. No, I'm not gonna put spices and seasoning on you. That's the chef's job. He knows how to do all of that. You're not gonna be sick. I mean, you'll be kind of, out soon enough. Don't worry about it. You're being awfully dramatic. Look, what's done is done. And I don't think you should be upset. I mean, did you have that much going on anyway? I didn't think so. Now I'm just gonna be scraping the sides of your face, your lips. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Very gross, but if I'm gonna be a doctor, I have to get used to these things. So, they'll be coming to get you in like 2 seconds, so sorry. Like I said, you were probably one of my favorites.